Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to prove that someone has hacked your Wi-Fi. Suppose one day you are analyzing the connected network devices to your Wi-Fi network and you find an unknown device that has been connected to your Wi-Fi network. So and you suspect that your neighbor has cracked your Wi-Fi network password and connected his laptop to your Wi-Fi. So how are you gonna prove this? Well, for this purpose you need to have access to his connected device. You need to have access to his laptop, and you can prove this via his registry by analyzing his registry entries. So how will you prove this? So first of all, you will have to open the registry edit of that connected device. Go to regedit. Now all you have to do is go to this HK local machine entry. Then you have to go to the software, and then you have to go to the Microsoft. Then you will go to the Windows NT. Here it is, and then you will go to the current version, and then from there you will go to the network list, and then from there you will go to the profiles, and these are the entries. As you can see, this is the name of the Wi-Fi network, and this is the date last connected. So by analyzing the registry entries of that particular device, you can prove that he has connected his laptop or PC to your Wi-Fi network. So how will you extract information from this? Suppose your Wi-Fi name is my extended Wi-Fi, and you can prove this by this registry entry, and this is the last connected entry. So how are you gonna read this binary entry? So let me teach you how to read this. So we will type notepad. Let me show you. In order to read this date last connected entry, you will have to first note down these entries. So I will write this E3 07 05 0006 00 19 00 16 00 1F 00 20 00 B2 00. Now we will connect these 4 bytes. So I will type is E3 07 and 05 00 06 00 19 00 16 00 1F 00 20 00 and B2 00. Now this data is in the little endian format. Now in order to convert it into a readable format, we will reverse these two sections, reverse the 2 bytes. So how am I going to do this? Is I will do this like this: 07 E3, then 0005, then 0006, then 0019, then 0016, then 001F, then 0020, then 00 B2. Now this is in hex format, and we can let me tell you one more thing, that this entry is the year and this is month, this is weekday, this is date, and this is hour, year, month, weekday, date, hour, and this is minutes, and then seconds, and this is thousands. So the year will be, we will type hex to decimal converter and go to this website. You can use any hex to decimal converter. So the year will be 2019. So month will be, I guess, 5. Okay, then weekday will be, I think, 6. Weekday is 6, which is I'll show you later. And date is 25. Hour is 22. And minutes 21. And seconds is 32. And we don't need to convert this last entry, which is because it is in thousands of second, so we practically don't need to calculate this. So the last connected time will be, what is the 5th month of the year? 5th month is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So May 2019. And the weekday is 6. What is this? 6 day, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is Saturday. And date is 25. And the timing is 22 hours 31 minutes and 32 seconds. So the last connected time is May, Saturday 25, 2019. So we can check this by going to this registry entry. So to the 2019 May and 25, as you can see, it is Saturday on May 25, 2019. So our extracted time is correct. So by analyzing this registry entry, you can prove that a particular person has hacked your Wi-Fi, and you can check the last connected time of that connected device. You can check the last time he connected to your Wi-Fi using this registry entry, and this evidence can be used in in the code as well. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video.